Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to turn on or off app drawer or app screen on any Samsung device. If you're using any Samsung phone and you want to turn on or off app drawers, let's see how can you do that. You can see I have no any app drawer, I have already disabled. So let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your phone settings. From here just scroll down and look for home screen settings. Tap on it and here just tap on home screen layout. And here you will get two different settings. The first is that home screen and app screen. If you have selected, you will get app drawer. So I'm going to select, just tap on it, then tap on apply. And here you will get second option, which is only home screen. So if you have selected, so you will not get any app drawer or app screen. So now I have selected the first one. So let's see. You can see there is my home screen and there's the app screen. So that's how you can easily turn on or off app drawer on any Samsung device. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.